Thank you very much. Second time around. My name's Ian Harris from BrainMiner. BrainMiner is going to transform the diagnosis and treatment of millions of patients worldwide suffering from brain diseases and cancer. How are we going to achieve this? The MRI image you see behind me is made up of more than 200 thin slices that would take the best neuroanatomist in the world 4 days to accurately segment and quantify the regional brain volumes. We've taught a computer to do this in literally a matter of minutes, accurately and consistently. BrainMiner is developing a patented quantitative imaging analysis and reporting solution that is extensible to a broad range of brain diseases and major organ oncology. We're going to start first by improving the rates and accuracy of diagnosis of dementia. Dementia, as we all know, is a major problem globally, affecting more than 44 million patients worldwide, and over 800,000 of these are in the UK. As the population is living longer, it is aging and becoming more predisposed to dementia, so these numbers are only going to grow. The economic burden of the disease is truly colossal. It is estimated to cost the UK alone £23 billion per annum. So what is the unmet need that we're going to address? A significant number of patients are now having structural imaging as part of their diagnostic workup. In the UK, NICE guidelines call for imaging, preferably MRI, to be conducted. And these numbers will rise dramatically in a world where we have truly disease-modifying drugs, which may not be far away now. Of the total cohort of patients presenting to clinicians, 30 to 40% do not receive a clear diagnosis. They therefore go back into the community, not knowing what is wrong with them. Some will be picked up in the future and have further diagnostic tests, which increases the cost burden on the system. Others will be missed and may develop dementia, which means they miss out on a timely diagnosis and intervention, which is a poor outcome for everyone. So what we must do is significantly reduce the time to a clear and accurate diagnosis for this large number of patients. Radiologists take on average 20 minutes to read a patient scan in a largely subjective process. In order to manage the increased throughput that we're expecting, we need to be able to reduce this time by providing them with standardized, reproducible, expert-level reports that are made available in the non-specialist as well as a specialist setting. So how does our software work? Next slide, please. Thank you. The software takes an acquired patient scan and puts it through an automated quality control process. And assuming that it passes this gate, it then uses a patented process to segment and quantify the volume of more than 150 different brain regions, comparing the results to a large normative database of healthy patient scans that are matched for age and gender. Any differences between the scans and the norms are highlighted, and then a detailed quantitative report is produced automatically for the radiologists, who can then incorporate it in their recommendations to downstream clinicians who make the ultimate diagnostic decisions. Our new product pipeline is going to target multiple sclerosis and stroke with a combined patient population of more than 20 million, and where quantitative imaging can make a significant difference to diagnosis and to treatment. Our first oncology product is going to be in prostate cancer. That is the second largest cancer killer of men worldwide, affecting more than 1 million new patients each year. Over time, as the technology is adopted, we will develop a significant big data and machine learning opportunity that the business will exploit. Low regulatory hurdles support the commercialization and expansion into the wider EU and important US markets. Our business model is going to be software as a service, and the software itself will reside within the hospital's picture archiving system to protect patient data security. To date, we have received more than £1 million of non-dilutive SBRI funding, and we are now seeking a minimum of £2 million Series A funding to complete the development and support the commercialization of our first product, and also to complete the development of our next two products, by the end of 2018. I'd be delighted to speak to any investors interested in our proposition. My name is Ian Harris from Brainminer. Thank you very much for listening.